Moonlit garden, a student wept. I need a red rose to win her heart, but none grow here, he cried. A nightingale listened, her heart stirred by his love. Love is worth more than life. I'll find a red rose for him. She searched, but the trees bore. The nightingale flies to the rose trees in the garden. She first goes to a white rose tree. It says, my roses are white. Go to the red rose tree near the sundial. The nightingale flies to the rose trees in the garden again. Then she goes to a yellow rose tree. It says, my roses are yellow. Go to the red rose tree by the student's window. He may help you to find the rose. The nightingale goes to the red rose tree. The tree says, my roses are red, but the frost has killed all my buds. I can't give you a single red rose this year. The nightingale asks, is there any way to get one red rose? The tree replies, there is a way, but it's terrible. The tree explains, you must sing all night with your breast pressed against my thorn. The thorn will pierce your heart, and your blood will give my rose its red color. The nightingale knows it means she will die, but she agrees, saying, love is more precious than life. At night, the nightingale begins her song. She sings beautifully about love, joy, and pain. As she presses against the thorn, her blood flows into the rose tree. Slowly, a beautiful red rose blooms. By dawn, the nightingale dies under the tree. The student awoke to a perfect red rose. This will win her, he exclaimed, rushing to her side. Girl, jewels are better than flowers. She tossed the rose away. Student, what use is love? He muttered as it fell. He threw the rose, he cast love aside. Logic is better, he declared, returning to his books. No more love. It's a fool's game. Logic will guide me now, I say, turning to my books. The rose meant nothing after all.